Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be taking you to an ultra modern car wash park that I came across during my rounds at Nsawam in the eastern region of Ghana. This place is one of the coolest washing bays that you can find in Ghana. It is owned by a young man whom, in my opinion, is a visionary. The place is neat and the place is modern. If I say modern, what I mean by this is the place has a barbering shop, a pharmacy shop, a boutique, and also a restaurant. This is the barbering shop, which is open to all. You can be barbering your hair while they are washing your car for you. And this particular side of the place is a pharmacy shop. And this staircase leads to the restaurant, which is upstairs. So this is the view of the place from afar. You can see the symbol of the pharmacy here showing clearly, and then we have the road, that is Nsawam road, cars busily passing around. This car wash park can be located about 100 meters after the Nsawam government hospital. So this is the boutique with very beautiful dresses. Whilst your car is being washed, you can go and have a look at the place and buy your dresses. Then there's a pharmacy here. You can do your shopping here if you need any medicine or drug to buy. And if you have money also, you can just go to the restaurant. This is the restaurant at the top of the pharmacy and the boutique. This is a restaurant. The place is so nice, so cool, very decorated. So your car will be washed for you whilst you also eat or you also take a drink. So that is me getting down from the restaurant part to the front door of the pharmacy. Very neat place, and everything you need there you get. And then if you also want to do your shave, then you do your shave at the barbering shop or your haircut at the barbering shop over here. Christmas tree, nicely planted, nicely decorated place. This place is right after the Nsawam government hospital, about 100 meters away, and it is on your right side when you are going to Ebri or when you are moving towards Ebri. Visiting the place at night is also awesome because of the lighting system at the restaurant. That's the restaurant you see at the top of the story building. And the place hasn't been completed. There's another structure that they want to put on top of the restaurant. So after the place has been completed, it will be a boom. Yes. So for now, this is what they have. And this washing or car wash park is located after the Nsawam Government Hospital. Try and visit when you come to Ghana. And if you are in Ghana and you ever pass through Nsawam, you can go there for your car to be washed whilst you do your hair, you eat at the restaurant, or you do your shopping at the boutique. Subscribe to this channel to support me to bring you more videos. Thank you for watching and please stick around.